everybody. Our next project today is going to be this amazing vase. So get ready to have some fun. Isn't it beautiful? And only thing you need, and most of this came from Dollar Tree. The diamond wrap and the gin mask and the beads. And the little diamonds, I got those from Walmart. They come in a big buck. And also you're going to need paint, which I'm going to show you later how we painted it and everything. So just get ready to have some fun. And of course you need your glue gun. Okay, let's get crafting. Okay, thank y'all for joining me this morning. This is the painter that I'm going to use. I got this from Lowe's. It's a 2-time paint and primer. If we feel like we need another coat, we will do another coat. But if not, we're gonna be finished with this part. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so we're ready to get started. So first of all, we're gonna start with our beads. We're gonna start at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little glue on here. And I'm going to start it with this, just a tab at first, because we want to stay on that little line there. Okay. And then we're just going to continue around. Cut these to the measurement of my vase. So if you want to go ahead and do that when you get your vase, go ahead and pre-cut. Go ahead and measure to whatever you're using. I've thought of doing this morning. I was wondering how can I do it, and so I thought, oh well, you know what, I can do it this way, and it worked out real pretty. So let's do our bottom one. See how pretty that's looking? Now let's do our bottom one. See how that's going? It's going all the way around. See, y'all can use this as a gift. That would be so, people would think that you is actually just a designer. Say, dude, who made this? Say, I made this. They're gonna be so impressed. See how pretty that's looking? It's looking pretty already. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do our little mask. So how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna kind of place it here. See, I got it placed right there. And then I'm gonna kind of slant it just a little bit. See how I got it slanted there? But I'll show you when I get it up. And I went on and cut 5 of them because I wanted them to space out pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and glue it down. Okay, and then kind of wrap it like so. See how I got it wrapped? Wrap it like that. Then with your glue gun, you're gonna go ahead and slant it, just like, hope y'all can see this. Go ahead and slant it. Just like so. See how I did that? It's kind of slanted a little bit. Okay. See how pretty that's looking? Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's go ahead and put our other one. This, like I said, this will be a beautiful gift. I might just make some of these for Christmas gift. We have a sister Christmas party every year. It was 9 girls, and we all get together on Christmas and have a Christmas party. And this will be a good gift for one of my sisters. And then I might just make all of one. Here's my head. Now, isn't that pretty? See how they're looking? That is so pretty. Okay, now, next, we're gonna do our wraps. No, before we do our wraps, let me go ahead and put my little diamond things on. And I'm gonna put one, in this option, you can or you don't have to. I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put just in the middle of each one of these. I got 5 of them. I'm gonna put one right there in the middle. See how I did that? Use your little pencil thing. This is my creation with this pencil. Okay. Gonna get another. And Miss Brenda D, she is my baby sister. She has a cooking channel, which is called Miss Brenda D, D-E-E. That girl be doing some cooking, y'all. Make sure y'all tune in, especially y'all that just got married and don't know how to cook. That'll be a good channel. I didn't know how to cook when I first got married, so she teaching me a lot of stuff. See how pretty that's looking? Okay, we're going around. And when you subscribe to her channel, make sure y'all say, Miss Betty at No Place Like Home asked me to join. I've seen one comment that someone had put on her channel that it saved their marriage. So she must conclude, because that man, one of them said that he proposed to this lady after she had cooked something from Miss Brenda D. So y'all watch that station. It is so good. That girl knows she can burn. Miss Brenda D. Okay, see how that look? That is so beautiful. I love it myself. Okay, now we're gonna start putting these right here on. And I already done pre-measure. So if you want to go ahead and pre-measure, and I'm gonna put it right up under here. But where that stops at right there, I'm gonna put it right there. Okay. And I got 5 of these. And how I'm doing them, see where these right here ends at right here? I'm just gonna come where that is, I'm just gonna come down from there. Okay? Here we go. Just make a little line with your little glue gun. And then press it right here. I'm still using my little pencil, y'all. This is the best ever. I didn't think about this till I started doing these so much. I said, you know what? This pencil will be excellent for that. Okay? And then you want to go ahead and go on down. I'm going to go ahead and put some more glue on down. I try to come up with easy things to do, because if it's going to be something hard, I don't want to do it. So I try to think of something easy for y'all to do. I said, where did you get that idea from? Just said, Miss Betty, no place like home. See how I'm putting them at each one of these right here? I'm just coming down at the bottom of these for this last one right here. I'm just going straight down. Okay, one more. I end up had to put a second coat, because when this glue gets to it, it's hot and it'll knock your paint off. So I just went on and did 2 coats. Okay, Now, what y'all thinking so far? Isn't it beautiful? Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna start putting our little gems on. And what I'm doing, I'm meshing these up, and I already cut 5 of these. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get right here in the middle, and then you're gonna just put a little dot there, right in the middle. And then just put one of these on. And then what I'm gonna do on this, I'm gonna kind of slant it like so. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. Doing it. See, I see that slant in there. Then your next two, you're gonna kind of bring it up like so, like right there. I just have so much fun doing this. I could do this all day long. I go ahead and fix my husband something to eat, and then I'm up in my craft room just about all day. I'm gonna put one, see how I got that one? So I'm gonna put one kind of down just a little bit. Okay. Now, is that looking good? I think that's looking so pretty. Okay. We're gonna continue. One in the middle. You know that's your center. I just enjoy y'all each time I come on because it's make me feel like I'm really doing something. Okay, now this last one, I'm gonna try to make sure I show you. We're gonna put one here, right in the center. Put a little glue on. Stamp it with our head of our pencil. And then we're gonna put one down here. And then we're gonna put one up here. Okay. And then we're gonna put one here. One more, y'all, and we're gonna be done with this project. One more. We're gonna put it down here. Put it down here. Okay. Wants to try to get away. Okay. There we go. We're gonna stamp that on there. That is it, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? I just love it. See how pretty that look, y'all. That is so pretty. Like I said, make it as a gift. Or if you just want to keep it yourself, you keep it yourself. I'm going to use this for artificial flowers. But if you're gonna use real flowers, don't paint inside. Thank y'all for listening in, and I hope this was very helpful. And I hope each and every one of y'all try to make one of these. It was so much fun. Okay, we're gonna tune out, and we're gonna see y'all the next time. Okay, bye-bye.